We are going to be doing a first grade math and art project where students are going to color shapes and paste them onto a poster board. This activity will help them to identify shapes as well as where we can find the shapes in and out of the house. The materials we're going to need are shapes on blank pieces of paper, some markers, glue, scissors, and also the words of the shapes. That way the students can match the word with the shape. Our first step we're going to do is to start by coloring the shapes, any color they want. Some students may just want one color, but you can use your imagination and color the shapes whatever color you want. Of course, yellow for a star. We can start by asking the students if they can identify the shapes. What would that shape be?
A star.
And what about that one?
A circle.
And what about the one you're coloring?
A square.
Very good. What shape are you coloring now?
Triangle. Why is she using my markers?
It's okay. Now we are going to cut these shapes out. This is a good way of showing the kids how to use scissors. And once you're finished cutting out the shapes, you can glue them onto the poster board. It's going to be good to kind of spread them out a little bit. This is also something that they could take home and display it in their room so they could practice their shapes. Okay, now that the shapes are displayed on the poster board, we are going to give the student a sheet of paper that has the words to the shapes on them, and they get to pick the shapes, words that match the shapes on the poster board. So she's cutting out triangle. We have a triangle somewhere on the poster board. She cut out square. Wonder where the square is. Circle. Star. And a heart. And while she is gluing the words towards the shapes, I am going to ask the student where they might find each shape, outside or inside. So she matched the heart. Where could we find a heart?
Inside of you.
Inside of you, that's a good one. Where else we might find a heart?
A Valentine's Day card.
Very good. And she found another one. Found a star. Where can we find a star?
In the sky.
Very good. Where else could we find a star?
On top of a Christmas tree.
Good job. And she found a triangle. Where can we find a triangle?
Traffic signs.
Very good. She found a circle. That's a good one. Where can we find a circle?
A ball.
Ball. Very good. Where in the sky can we find a circle?
The moon or the sun.
Good job. And one final shape would be a square. Where can we find a square?
A box.
Very good. Also, I think this poster board is pretty close to a square. Might be a rectangle, but here is our shapes poster. Very good. Very creative. And this is how we make our shapes poster for first grade